Feel free, check it out.
Who tells you that this type of color like? Eh?
As your fiance, it's my responsibility to know everything about my beautiful wife-to-be.
You know, say this thing na lighting, no be true thing. Eh? This thing na lighting, no. Let me say no dey buy all these things. No be tomorrow now you go say I chop your thing wrong.
But you've been chopping my thing.
That your thing dey the very risky. Wabadoski, how you dey? My country people. Another this Sabi movie don land though. Una know say for my page no dull moment at all. As they cook am na side they carry come this thing now. If you are not watching this particular new movie where Sonia Uche-2024 do, I don't know what you are doing. When I know say for my page, anytime I know talk about these two people, my page no be my page. So if you are not a lover of these two people, please wait for my next video, cause this particular one is all about my favorite. And now this movie they trend now. So as I see him, I say no, I need to talk about this movie because it's everything and more. Make a play, make una watch before I continue.
Don't tell you.
I see Lisa.
This bros not going to say this thing now true something. Don't get anything before person say I chop your money wrong.
So, when I come back, I'll take you shopping.
Eh? Shopping?
Yeah.
Waiting at they go shopping for? I get clothes and I get everything. Wait, say no waste your money. Yeah?
It's not a waste if it's for you, okay?
I don't complain, tell you say I no get waiting to wear. Wait till they go shop for.
I'm not complaining either. I just want to do something nice for you.
Okay. Oh yeah, they go before you go late. This one, that's also you go clean motor, you know they finish.
You're welcome.
Who is this one?
Lola.
Baby.
I saw you the day you came by. I just wanted to make you jealous, so I flirted with a guy. But he's just my colleague at work. I'm sorry.
Lola, I called you for weeks, but you didn't pick or return any of my calls.
Yeah. I was thinking that will get to you, that it will make you change your mind and ask them to leave.
Well, my family members are still here.
See, babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know you're not the kind of guy that will just ask his family member to go away. But I'm back now. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Look, if this was a few weeks ago, it would have been the best news of my life, but now...
Now what? You have already replaced me with someone?
She's not your replacement. She's just a friend who's helping me out.
Helping you out with what? Tell me. Desperate over a man that you planned such story just to be with him? What? What story? Just shut up! Desmond has already told me everything! How you guys planned the fake engagement just to ask his family to go out. What? Yes! It's all fake!
I knew it! I knew that something was off about this bread seller. The Desmond I know, who's my brother, can never date an illiterate. I knew it. Hey.
So you mean all along? Now only you waka come for inside this relationship.
Desperate girl.
And you call them make mouth, they preach up and down.
They control everybody for house. Eh? Stupid girl. So shit. Hey. So your plan was to chase me out of this house?
Just
go!
Leave her.
Let me not beat her.
Leave her.
Let her mind.
Go. The real girlfriend is here.
Bring girlfriend. We get out of this place.
Shut up, girlfriend.
Yes, I know. I'm just... Look, I'm trying to sort it out. Once I do that, I'll let you know. Mike, let me call you back. Busy? What's going on? Why are you packing your things? Busy? Busy? See what's going on?
See, I just got a beg. You leave me now. Just leave me now.
What's wrong? What's going on? Busy, talk to me. What's happening?
Shebi, the thing when me and you agree say we no go tell anybody. Now she don't come. Now when she land, you don't open your mouth. Go they tell them everything. Abi?
She was badgering me with questions. They just came out.
You try, wait. Now she don't go. Go they tell your sisters and your brothers everything.
She did what?
I work for you. Don't finish. You try, wait.
Busy.
Omo, this one pay me, I no go lie. Marisa, we no try at all. How you go do my baby this kind thing? If you still love person, why not at least wait for the person to come back? Why are you using another person to get back at your girlfriend? My people, this movie and everything and more. If you never watch them or you still they wait. You are doing yourself, rush now to YouTube or click the link on my bio. Ngwanu, bye.